video tutorial, I will show you step by step on how you can connect YouTube to Facebook page without any stress. So let's go. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this video useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this. With that being said, welcome back friends. So let's see how to connect your YouTube account to your Facebook business page. So for us to do that, if you are using Android phone, you need to make sure you head over to your Play Store. Then you have to look for Facebook business page. Click on that. Then you're going to have something like this, Meta Business Suite. So what you need to do is to download it and install it on your phone. Okay, having downloaded and installed it on your phone, then you can exit from your Play Store. Then you have to head over to your phone screen and look for the app icon. So here we go. So this is the app icon. So I'm going to click on it straight up. So one thing here is that if you are downloading the app for the first time, it will ask you your login detail for Facebook account. What you need to do is to just enter your login detail on Facebook. Then it will take you to your Facebook business page like this. Now on getting to your Facebook business page, so for you to link your YouTube account to the Facebook business page, what you need to do is to explore to the tools right here. Click on tools. Then it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on settings. Then it take you right here. Then you have to scroll down and locate page info. Then it take you right here. Then you have to scroll down again and look for links edit right here. Click on edit. Then right here it take you to this particular page. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on add social link. Then you have to select platform. Then I'm going to select YouTube. Then you have to enter your YouTube username right here. So if you don't know what a YouTube username look like, so let me exit from the Facebook page. Then I will take you to my YouTube account. So right here, I'm going to click on here to open a YouTube. Then I'll click on here. Then here is what called your YouTube username. So at stuff like that. So I'm going to simply click on that. Then we have the username right here. So this is regarded as your username for YouTube. Okay. Now for us to get this username, so we can simply click on these three dots at the top. Then we need to make sure we click on share. We make sure we click on copy. You can copy the whole username link. Then we exit from our YouTube and come back to our Facebook page right here. I will click and hold down and paste it right here. Now we have a bunch of links right here. So what we need to do is to simply delete some of the unnecessary information right here like this. So we just need this username. So I'll cancel that also. Then automatically you can see it right here. It has successfully added. Next thing we want to do is to click on save from the top right here. Then right here you have your YouTube account linked to your Facebook business page. So this is how to link your YouTube account with your Facebook business page using just your mobile device. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.